Hey guys, so if you're looking for a new Bible cover case, I got this one right here for you. So I love the color purple. It says, "With God, all things are possible." Really nice vinyl design, but inside it actually comes with a bunch of stuff. So it doesn't come with the Bible, but let me show you the space inside here first. It's got bands to kind of hold some papers, if you got your sermon notes, things like that. A handle, so when you're carrying around, you can put it over your wrist. A place to put your markers and some other things, but it actually comes with quite a bit of stuff. So you have a bookmark here. You have some little sticky notes, your Bible tabs. You got to have tabs for your Bible. And then it does come with some pens and highlighters, along with a whole bunch of different bookmarks. And so overall, I think this is a great starter kit for someone who just bought their very first Bible and aren't quite sure what they should buy to go with it. It does have a zipper enclosure, so you're going to be able to keep your Bible and your markers, your highlighters, your journaling pens all in one. And then you've got it here so you don't lose it. Whether it's for you or maybe you have someone that just started going to church and want to give them a special gift, I think this is a really great choice.